The available blind-spot collision warning and blind-spot collision-avoidance assist systems from Genesis are valuable safety features. Both blind-spot collision warning, or BCW, and blind-spot collision-avoidance assist, or BCA, use radar sensors to spot vehicles that are to your side or just behind you. BCW can then monitor and warn the driver of an approaching vehicle in the blind spot area or if one is approaching at a high rate of speed. The system is operable at speeds between 20 miles per hour and 110 miles per hour. You can turn the system on and off using the BCW switch on the instrument panel. It's located below and to the left of the steering wheel. The system is active if the switch's indicator light is on. When BCW first detects a vehicle within the boundary of the system, a warning light will illuminate on the outside mirror that is on the side where the vehicle is present. If your vehicle is equipped with a head-up display, the alert will appear there as well. If BCW detects a vehicle within the boundary of the system and the driver applies the turn signal on the same side as the detected vehicle, the light on the outside mirror and head-up display, if equipped, will flash. A warning chime will also sound. Once you turn off the turn signal or the vehicle is no longer in the blind spot area, the warning will turn off. BCA adds to the BCW system by employing a camera on the windshield to detect lane markers in front of you. The radar sensors and camera work together so the vehicle will know its own position and sense when other vehicles are near it. If it sees a collision is possible, it can intervene to reduce the risk or to make the impact less severe. For it to work, you must be traveling over 40 miles per hour and less than 110 miles per hour, and the system must detect lane markers on both sides of you. When it intervenes, BCA engages your vehicle's electronic stability control system. The BCA brakes the front wheel in the direction opposite to the collision that is expected to help keep you in your lane. If this happens, you'll see an alert on the LCD display. BCW and BCA may not always detect another vehicle or a possible collision, especially on curves or slopes, where lanes are at different heights, or when traffic is merging or dividing. Please see your owner's manual for a fuller list of these types of situations. You should avoid placing stickers or other obstructing items over the sensor areas. Doing so may cause the system to not operate correctly. Please consult the owner's manual for info on where the sensor areas are, as well as more information on the parking warning system. As with all Genesis safety features, blind spot warning and the blind spot collision avoidance assist system are valuable driver's tools. But remember, they are no substitutes for alert driving.